If you just got a new Android phone, congratulations if it's an upgrade. If you dropped your nice phone in the water or toilet on accident and got an old phone, well, at least you have something to use, right? In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer contacts from one Android phone to another. We'll give you a few simple methods, all using your Google account. Then I'll show you how to transfer from a Pixel phone to a Samsung phone, for example. Make it easy, fast for you. First method is to make sure that your contacts are synced up on the Google account that you're using. So you can open any app that's a Google app on your phone. It could be Gmail, Calendar, Contacts, whatever. Click on your profile image up in the top right, and then click on Manage Accounts on this device. So once you're at that spot, you're going to find the account that you want to make sure your contacts are synced up with. So pick that account, and then on here it will say Account Sync. Click on Account Sync and make sure that the toggle button next to Contacts is on. If it's not on right there and you add new contacts onto one device, they won't be synced up when you add a Google account on the new device. So make sure that that's toggled on. It'll say syncing now, so it says last synced just right now. So make sure that your contacts are synced up. And then on your new phone, you'll install the Google app, make sure that the account is synced, same method, and if you're logged in with the same account, all of your contacts should carry over. Easy as that. That's method one. So method two is open the Contacts app on your Google phone, and we're going to do a vCard export on there. So if we go to Contacts, then you're going to click up in the dots in the top right, and you can select individual contacts or you can select all of them. This is a Google Pixel phone, for example. If I click Select All, it will give me that option, and then you click the Share button in the top right. So click the Share. It says Export in Contacts. So that was really fast, as you can see. And then it says it's going to be in a vCard file right there at the top, and you can click to share this to Google Drive. You can save it there, you can email it, you can send it over WhatsApp, messages, etc. Then you get onto your new phone, and wherever you shared it to, email, etc., open up the vCard file, and then you can just import the contacts into your contacts on the new phone. Another smart thing to do to make sure that your contacts carry over from one phone to the next is to make sure that all of your contacts are automatically synced on your device. So to do that, you click on your profile image up top, I'm in the Contacts app on here, and then click on Contact Settings. So in Contact Settings, it'd be the very first option up top, says Google Contacts Sync Settings. So you click the account that you want to sync them to right there, and then this says Sync Device Contacts near the bottom. Click on that, and there's a toggle, so make sure that's toggled on. This says automatically backup and sync device contacts. So any contact that you add on the old phone, if you have that toggled on, it's going to automatically sync. Then when you log into your new phone, you add the same Google account, it's going to automatically sync up. So just make sure that that's toggled on. If you're importing contacts onto a new Samsung phone, you just find the vCard file on the new phone. If it's on Gmail, Drive, etc., save it there. Then you open the Contacts app on your new Samsung phone, click on the three-dot menu, click on Manage Contacts, and then Import Contacts. So easy as that, you can just import them. We also have an article on saving contacts from an iPhone to an Android, so reference that. By far the easiest way to save contacts from one phone to the next, if you're using Android, is to make sure they're synced up on your Google contacts. Make sure those toggle buttons are on, sync them up before you power off or erase the old phone. Add the same account on your new phone, and as long as they're synced up and saved in the cloud, all of your contacts will be restored. I hope this video was helpful for you. You don't lose any contacts. Make this simple, fast, and easy to use. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you again soon.